Today I'm going to make our Jamaican sorrel drink. Well, sorrel is good all year round, but especially at Christmas you have to have some sorrel drink along with the Christmas cake, the black cake. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make our sorrel drink. This is ginger, and we have 2 pounds sorrel in here. There we go. And this is the water boiling to add to the sorrel. This is 2 gallons water. So I crush the ginger and add it to the sorrel, and then we add the boiled water. And all we do now is cover this, tightly covered. I will leave it just like that on the stove overnight. In the morning, it's ready to be sweetened. That's it for now. Okay, so I've placed 2 pounds of sorrel and a 1/4 pound of ginger in this pot. Then I added 2 gallons of boiled water. Then I let it sit overnight, so it's time to sweeten it. So we strain it. There we go. Good. There it is. Alright, so this is the sorrel and ginger that we had in the pot. Okay, so now we're gonna sweeten. This is 300 grams of sugar, brown sugar. You could use more or less sugar. I tend to use less. So, persons can always add more for. And the same thing goes for the wine and the rum. We had a limited amount. One and a half cup wine. Wine and half cup of rum, white rum. Okay. Pour this inside here in the sorrel. And that's it. Now our sorrel drink is ready. Let's taste. It's good. It is good. So we pour this into our jug here. So I'll just cover this and put this into the refrigerator. Usually when I was growing up, my mom would pour it into these quart bottles, and that's how she would store the extra sorrel, and we'll have it for months later. Yes. So thank you for watching. Please do enjoy, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.